Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me put my glasses up for a moment here. I'm coming to you with my BOXYCHARM box. It's the premium one, so we're going to look through that and see what you think. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep on watching. We're going to talk about all the makeup, do some swatching, and all that good stuff. So keep on watching. And if you like what you see, thumbs up. And I would love a subscribe if you like seeing this and other things. Makeup for mature girls like us. Okay, so let's get started looking at the box. Here it is. Oops. I tried to set it up pretty for you. So that's everything that I got in my box. So there are 6 items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. The box weighed 2.10 pounds. So a lot of product in here. So let's get started. First, we'll look at this. Oh, and it did come with a card like it usually does. And everything in the box is listed there, so I'm going to use this little cheat sheet here to give you the retail prices or suggested retail prices. This is a cuticle oil, and this is by Cuccio. Naturale Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, and it retails for $42. It says it's a it retails for $18. I was reading the wrong one. All right, a unique natural hydrating complex of rich lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorbed completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. And that is a huge bottle. Let me open it up for us. Oh my gosh. It says it is 2.5 fluid ounces. Beautiful bottle there. That's pretty. And there's the oil. And let's see. It has a very light fragrance. Kind of a honey, milky fragrance. So I'm excited to try that. We'll put that to the side. And then we have High CBD Formula Body Lotion by Lord Jones, and that retails for $40. It's an ultimate multitasking body lotion with CBD and shea butter, cools and calms the body. The soothing CBD infused body lotion is formulated to moisturize and create a cooling sensation upon contact. Ooh, that sounds really good. Let's open that up and check it out. I have never used anything with CBD oil. So if any of you have and you have any opinions on that, please comment below. I would love to hear what you think. So here's the bottle, and it has, it says it's 50 milliliters. Oh, that's an interesting pump, and it has a little locking tab there. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, there it goes. So kind of a thickish cream. It is cooling. Let me put it on both hands because that was a big pump. It does feel very hydrating. It does have a cooling effect. Really no scent when you put it on at all. No, it really doesn't have a scent at all. Well, that will be interesting to try. I do have a little bit of arthritis in my hands, so maybe that will help with joint aching. I guess that's what CBD is supposed to do. That's what I hear anyway. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's try. This is by Ciate. It is Everyday Vacay. It's a dewy coconut setting mist. And this is 2.53 ounces. And it says that it retails for $22. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra-fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. It's a really pretty box too. I really like that. And I'm trying to open it and it's being difficult. Okay. Here we go. Pretty packaging. It's plastic, but it's very pretty. And let's see how it sprays. I'm going to spray it towards my hand. Ooh, a nice light mist. It actually has very little droplets at all. Very light coconut scent. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. Feels light on the skin. So there you go. Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Mist. We'll put that there. Okay. Then we have the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. And let me read it to you first. It retails for $42. Universally flattering blush and highlight powders are combined in one palette to create flawless cheek looks. The kit includes 3 highlighters to enhance your cheekbones and 3 perfectly matched blushes to achieve radiant and endless looks. Well, that sounds pretty. And that's if I can get it out of this box here. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. It's like almost like this alligator embossed. And then it has the protective sleeve over it. And there are quite a few colors here. So let me swatch some of those for you. Woo. Let me see here. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do all 6. There we go. All right. So you'll see that we have the lower row there and the upper row with the highlighters there. So these are the blushes. I almost think that these two are better maybe for darker skin. I suppose if you use a light hand, yeah, I'm brushing some of that away, you could get away with some of that. The pink is pretty. But I think with the blushes, you definitely have to use a light hand. Oh, here's the highlighters. Slimy. I love the highlighters, though. Those look kind of pretty. Yeah, so let me give you another little look at that. The blushes I might have to play with a little. Like I said, I think they might be better on a darker skin, maybe. But if I use a light hand, maybe it works well. So we'll have to see. And I'm trying to get this off of my skin so we can do some more swatching. All right, because we do have other stuff coming here. This one is the Morphe X Manny MUA palette They call it the Glam Palette. Eyeshadow, highlighter. Oh, it has eyeshadows and highlighters in there. Let's see what it says on here. It says, are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable, anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes and 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. Retails for $20. Oh, there's Manny. Alright. Well, it's got bubble wrap around it. That's pretty good. Keep the palette all pretty. I hope you all are having a great day. And here's the palette cover. It's quite pretty. And this has a protective film on it as well. We'll get rid of that. And there you go. The eyeshadow colors and highlighters. Very pretty. Wow. Alright, I'm going to sit to the side here so that I can swatch some of these here. Okay, so there's the first 4. That's kind of pretty. I gotta wipe off my fingers. And then we'll look at the next 4. Trying to wipe them off good on my... There we go. And here's the next 4. Oh, this one didn't... That one's a little lighter. Okay. Workable colors, though. They're very soft. I'm not using a brush, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I don't think there's going to be a lot of fallout with these. I'm going to put these up here. Wow. Look at, this is like a duochrome. It's very pretty. You almost got like a bluish purple thing going on there. That's pretty cool. And then let's try the highlighters here. My fingers are all powdery. All right. Let's put it here. And we'll put this one here. So there's the highlighters. Very nice colors. I kind of like the pinky one best. For me, anyway. That's kind of my taste. But those are beautiful. I am going to have fun. I'm going to have to definitely do a video trying these out. Oh, by the way, I am trying my camera to video this time, but I haven't quite found a way to be able to watch what's going on to make sure that I'm in the camera and things are focusing and everything. So this is like a test for us all. And then I kind of opened this up a little bit. This is called Folly Fire. And this is a trio of lipsticks. It's called Matte Manipulation. They're a creamy matte lipstick. And let's see what it says about them. You know what you want, and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquest. And this retails for $39.99 for 3 lipsticks. Oh. Get them out here. So this color is Sunset Boulevard. Oh, the cases are kind of cool. It's got like a little angle there. So what did I say? Sunset Boulevard. We'll put that right there. Ooh, I kind of like that color. It's nice and creamy. Yeah, I like that. Hopefully you can see that. So that's Sunset Boulevard. And then this one is Here to Slay. That sounds interesting. And again, that nice tube there. Oh, this is the red. Nice creamy feel to them. No scent. And last but not least, this is Full House. And again, we have that beautiful tube there. Ooh, this is a dark one. Oh, but not bad though. I was a little scared for a moment there, but not too bad. So definitely 3 wearable colors. Very nice. Anxious to try those out as well. So there we have it. We have BOXYCHARM Premium Box for July. And I hope you enjoyed looking at everything. I'm going to try and include these in some videos coming up where I try things out for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you liked it, thumbs up. And I sure would love a subscribe so you can keep in touch with all of the videos that I put up. And until next time, ciao Bella.